What's happening, bro? So we just came on an emergency call for a friend with my welder. They broke three bolts. So I'm just gonna try to weld them out. So let's see. Let's set that here. I've disconnected the battery already, so you can just hook it on. Wouldn't want to hook it onto the disc, but like they're worn out, so it doesn't matter. Get that big helmet on, and find a big nut. She's gonna sit right on it. This is a good one. Just right in the center. So what I need to do. Take this. I need pliers. I should pass my gun. My gun here as well. Pliers today, Ajay? Pliers. No, I just need to cut the wire. टूल चाहिए मैं लेके आया नाल अपना हाँ कंप्रेसर प्रॉपर टूल है वो हाँ चाहिए क्या लूज करना है अब हो गया चलो ध्यान रखो ऊपर से सीधा बैठा नहीं है ओके I need a smaller nut because that's big.